to lubricate your treadmill. Now the oil that you need is the silicone oil, so you need to get the right one. It can't be just any oil, it can't be cooking oil or car oil. It has to be a specific silicone oil for the treadmill. Okay, so depending on the make and model, it may be work slightly different, but the concept is always the same. The purpose is to get the lubrications to go underneath the belt here, preferably at the center, and then we want the oil to spread across your belt, underneath the belt, not on top but underneath the belt. So the procedure is, first we need to switch off or turn off the treadmill power plug. So we want to switch it off and remove the power plug. And then with this particular model here, I'm going to use an Allen key. You can use a T-wrench or Allen key to loosen the rear roller bolts. So with this one here, it has a small bolt. So right here, we need to insert this Allen key into the bolt. There's one on the right hand side and one on the left hand side. Now we need to turn it 15 times counterclockwise, so that way 15 times, 10 to 15 times to loosen the belt tension. Now you need to remember how many turns that you make, because we need to tighten it with the number of turns that you have made. If you do it incorrectly, then your belt may not be tightened enough, or it may misalign. Here we will turn it 15 times. So turn it anti-clockwise 15 times to release the belt tension. Okay, so with the belt is loosened, we can now apply the lube underneath. So you want to go at the center, and we're going to go in a zigzag pattern like this. And you want to go around half a bottle. So here we've got 40 mils. We go down half a bottle, that would be around 20 mils. So let's do it now. Okay, now we will tighten the threads. Make sure the belt is tight and well balanced. Plug your machine back on, and then we're going to turn it on. 5 minutes, and we go and we increase it to 3 miles. Okay, so we let it run by itself for 3 minutes, and then we stopped the machine. Okay, so after that we're going to walk on the machine for another 3 minutes. This will allow the oil to evenly spread across the belt on the treadmill. Okay, once it's done, you can clean off the excess oil and make sure double check to check the screw, make sure it is nice and tightened. Make sure this is aligned and center on both sides. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.